Hello, in this video, we'll take you to the steps for using Tritium PTH injection. Tritium PTH contains teriparatide, which is used for the treatment of osteoporosis. Tritium PTH kit contains Tritium PTH cartridge, delivery device pen, and pen needles. Tritium PTH pen consists of thumb button, dose dialer, dose window, cartridge holder. The steps for assembling the Tritium PTH pen are as follows. Wash your hands with soap and dry them with a clean towel. Holding the pen injector with one hand, remove the pen cap by pulling it off with the other hand. Rotate the cartridge holder to separate it from the pen body. Insert the cartridge, metal cap first, into the cartridge holder. Reattach the pen's body onto the cartridge holder and fix it firmly by rotating it. Now, your Tritium PTH delivery device pen is ready for use. When not in use, refrigerate at 2 to 8 degrees centigrade temperature. Now understand how to inject Tritium PTH. Wash your hands with soap and dry them with a clean towel. Remove the Tritium PTH pen from refrigerator. Remove the pen cap by pulling it off. Look at the Tritium PTH medicine cartridge. The medicine inside the cartridge should be clear and colorless, and it should not have any particles in it. If it is not clear and colorless, or it has particles, then do not use it. Use an alcohol swab to wipe the rubber seal on the open end of the pen. To use the needle, pull off the paper seal first. Hold the cartridge holder. Attach the capped needle to the end of the pen by pushing it onto the rubber seal and rotating it. Do not over-tighten the needle. Hold the pen with the needle pointing up and remove the outer needle shield. Pull off the inner needle shield and keep it aside. The Tritium PTH pen must be primed before every injection. You must prime the pen to make sure that the medicine is flowing and that you will receive the correct dose. Priming removes air bubbles. They might affect the dose you get. Small air bubbles may collect in the Tritium PTH cartridge during normal use. A small air bubble may stay in the cartridge when you finish the priming step. If you have primed the pen, the small air bubble would not harm you or affect the Tritium PTH dose. The very small amount of the prime dose does not affect the total supply of 28 days of therapy that the pen will deliver. To prime the pen, turn the dose dialer clockwise until the number 2 appears in the dose window. With the arrow and the number 2 in the dose window in line, hold your pen with the needle pointing up. Tap the clear cartridge holder gently. Push the thumb button all the way and keep pressing. Continue to hold the thumb button firmly and count slow to 5. You should see either a few drops or a tiny stream of Tritium PTH come out of the tip of the needle. If it works, then the step is complete. If not, then it should be primed again. Turn the dose dialer clockwise or to the right until you see the arrow and the number 8 in the dose window. When the number 8 and arrow are in line, you have set the 20 microgram dose and the pen is ready to inject. If you'll dial far by mistake, then dial back or rotate the dose dialer anti-clockwise to adjust the dose. Do not press the button to readjust the dose. Tricium PTH can be injected in the thighs and in the abdomen. Prepare your skin for the injection as instructed by your doctor. Lightly hold a fold of skin and push the needle straight into it. Inject Tricium PTH by using your thumb fully. Continue to hold the thumb button firmly and count slowly to 5 to ensure that the Tricium PTH has been completely injected into the skin. Remove the needle from your skin when you will finish counting. When the injection is complete, you must see the number 0 and arrow in a line in the dose window. This tells you that you have taken the full dose. Cap the needle carefully by using the inner needle shield and replace the cap on the pen. Store your Tricium PTH pen in the refrigerator or in 2 to 8 degrees centigrade. Throw away the cartridge after 28 days even it is not completely empty. Thank you.